Draw segment AB and bisect it by using ruler and compass. So we will make first segment AB of 6 centimeter from 0 to 6. Okay, we'll give name to it A and B. We'll write it is a 6 centimeter. Measurement of AB is 6 centimeter. Now we will bisect it by using ruler and compass. So this is our compass. What we will do, we will put point of a compass on B and we will take distance more than half of AB. Okay, more than half of AB. Now I will cut a arc on upper side and on the lower side. Okay, now with the same distance we will put our compass, point of compass on A and will make another arc which will cut the first arc. Okay, upside also and downside also. Now we will give this arc a name P. Okay, the next one is Q. Now we will draw a line through point P and Q. So this is our bisector of segment AB. So when we bisect any segment, it divides that segment into two equal parts. So I had given a name X and X. So AB is 3 sum and BX is also 3 sum. So it is our segment AB with 6 centimeter and it bisecting it. Okay, thank you very much.